In today's world, self-improvement isn't just about becoming a better version of yourself. It can also be a powerful way to make money. Whether you want to develop new skills, build a side hustle, or enhance your personal growth, there are numerous ways to monetize your journey. In this guide, we'll explore how you can earn money while improving yourself in various areas of life. 1. Learn high-income skills. Investing in skills that are in high demand can help you generate a steady income. Here are some high-income skills you can learn. Freelancing skills, copywriting, graphic design, web development, video editing, and digital marketing can be monetized through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Coding and software development. Learning programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and PHP can land you well-paying remote jobs or freelancing gigs. SEO and content marketing. Businesses need help ranking on Google, and SEO experts can charge premium rates. Sales and negotiation. Improving your ability to sell products, services, or ideas can open doors to commissions and business opportunities. 2. Monetize your self-improvement journey. If you're on a journey of self-growth, you can inspire others and earn money in the process. Start a blog or YouTube channel, share personal development tips, book reviews, or life lessons and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Offer coaching and consulting. Once you gain expertise in a field, coach others on platforms like Clarity.fm or Teachable. Write an ebook, document your learning experience and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. 3. Build financial literacy and passive income. Financial self-improvement can lead to long-term wealth-building opportunities. Investing in stocks and crypto. Educate yourself about investments to create passive income streams. Real estate and rental properties. Learn about property investment and build wealth through real estate. Create online courses. Package your knowledge into a structured course and sell it on Udemy or Coursera. 4. Personal development and monetization. Growing in personal skills can also lead to income opportunities. Fitness and wellness. Become a certified trainer or start a fitness blog to earn through memberships and sponsorships. Public speaking and communication. Get paid for motivational speaking, TEDx talks, or online coaching. Mindset and productivity coaching help people become more productive and improve their mental well-being. 5. Side hustles that enhance your skills. Some side hustles can help you develop new skills while making money. Tutoring and teaching. Teach languages, music, or academic subjects and improve your own knowledge. Writing and editing. Hone your writing skills while earning from article writing, blogging, or ghostwriting. Podcasting. Discuss personal growth topics and monetize through sponsorships. Conclusion. Self-improvement is a lifelong journey, and the best part is that you can make money while doing it. By developing high-income skills, sharing your growth journey, and making smart financial moves, you can turn self-improvement into a profitable venture. Start today and take action toward personal growth and financial success.